Automate your whole day with AI. Imagine waking up and your entire day is already organized and running smoothly by AI. Sounds like a dream, right? In this video, you'll learn how to automate your entire day using free AI tools. From emails to meals, no sweat. Start your morning with Notion AI crafting your to-do list and goals. Your personal productivity coach is ready to go. Then use Motion or Sunsama AI to build a smart, optimized calendar that matches your energy peaks. Stay updated hands-free with a daily news briefing from ChatGPT Voice or Heyday AI plugin while you get ready. When it's work time, AI takes over your emails. Flowrite and Superhuman AI reply instantly with perfect tone. Writing content, ChatGPT paired with Grammarly polishes articles, scripts, and presentations effortlessly. Social posts, Ocoya or Taplio AI creates and schedules your content for the week while you focus elsewhere. Need videos? Steve.AI transforms your blog or ideas into animated videos in minutes, easy and fun. Meetings don't have to kill your day. Use Tactiq AI and Fireflies.ai to automatically record and summarize everything. Zapier connects your meeting summaries straight to task managers like Notion or ClickUp. No manual work needed. Need to follow up? Lavender AI or ChatGPT drafts perfect emails that sound just like you. At day's end, Reflect AI or Journal GPT automatically summarizes your day and offers smart insights for tomorrow. Hungry? MealPlanner AI suggests healthy dinners based on your fridge contents. Dinner decisions made easy. Finally, Reclaim.ai queues up your perfect schedule for tomorrow, so you wake up ready and stress-free. You just ran a full productive day with AI managing your calendar, emails, meetings, meals, and reflection. 2025 isn't about doing more. It's about automating smarter and living better every single day. You've just built a seamless AI-powered daily system, your secret weapon for focus and success. Want more real-world AI hacks like this? Hit subscribe to ThinkSync and let's automate the future together.